Okay, so now we're working on getting the diff into the car, the diff that I just rebuilt. We did a short video on it, not of the rebuild, but of just how to put the cover on, because I did the rebuild before we started recording and stuff. So I just want to show you here that these diffs kind of don't sit right on the jack. So what I ended up doing here was just I'm using just a freeze plug there to kind of hold it, and it's probably gonna fall on me a couple times, but luckily it's not like super heavy, so I'll be able to handle it. So okay, so now what I'm gonna do is lower it, maybe just keep my hand on it some and lower it down, maybe about there, and I'm gonna just start pushing it into the under the car. Easier said than done. See, the diff just moved. So I have a feeling this is gonna get exciting here. Oh, there goes my, see what I mean? That was the freeze plug falling. And hold on, let me get this back on here. Okay, so we got it back on here. Same way. And yes, I know this is pretty sketchy, but I gotta get it past the crack in there. Now, I'm just gonna kind of aim it here and just pick it up. That way I can put the leaves on here. Yeah, we're kind of there. I'll just have to wiggle it around. So all right, here we go, going up with it. Okay, let me check over here. Well, I just wanna get it up high enough to where I could pick up the leaf springs here. Let me test here. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so I'm gonna try to, I need to get this jack in here to kind of support the leaf spring up, because it's getting heavy. All right, and I did attempt to put it in right now, but before recording, because I wanted to see what I needed to do or what was happening, but it started getting a little heavy. Trying to get the holes lined up here. Okay, there's one, there's the other, but I don't know why this is not letting me run them together here. Okay, let me put a little bit more pressure on this guy. Okay, so that way the leaf doesn't come flying down to my face. Oh, there we go. All right, perfect. Okay, so one's on, and we just got to do the same thing to the other side, and then we'll go and put these nuts on here, and I'll show you how to tighten them down. Okay, so we got the leaf springs in. You saw me get the shackle on here, did the same on the other side. So now the instructions say to run the nuts in until they touch. As you can see, I already ran them in some, because you know it's gonna take me a while to get them in. I didn't want you guys to watch that, but it's because the type of nuts they are, instead of being like a Teflon nut with the Teflon lock on it, these are smashed at the tips here, so they tighten down on the bolt. but not that tight to where it's gonna mess it up, the threads. So it's a little difficult to know when it's already all the way down. So I'm kind of just going until I feel it like kind of stop, like I'm not pulling that hard on it. And I'd say like about there. And now I do the one up on top. So same thing, you know, I kind of just, I'm going at it slow with the same pressure, and then till I feel it kind of stop. Okay, so I'm guessing we're about there. So the instructions say after you get them here, 1/8 of a turn or 1 flat of the nut. So I put my finger up here to kind of feel where this one at. So I'm going to get this flat up over here. So I turn it, and okay, right there. And this one's a little bit harder to see because I'm way up in here. Okay, I can feel it here to the back, and then okay, that's about it. And that's pretty much it. Grease your fittings, and you're good to go. So that's it for this video. Next video we'll show putting the differential back onto the leaf springs and buttoning all that up, and then measuring for the drive shaft, because I am changing the drive shaft. I did put the bigger U-joints on it, the 1350s. It has 1310s right now. I don't know how those things are surviving with what the, you know, what the engine is on this thing. But we'll keep you guys updated on that one. All right, that's it for now. Thank you.